The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Sur in Region 11 or Davao Region. The province of Davao del Sur has the city of Digos as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 11 or Davao Region. It is composed of 2 cities, 9 municipalities, and 232 barangays. It was founded on May 8, 1967. The total land area is 2,163.98 kilometers squared or 835.52 square miles. Davao del Sur is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Davao del Norte, Davao Gulf, Davao Occidental, Sarangani, South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, and Cotabato. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Sur in Region 10 or Davao Region. We have the municipality of Bansalan with 25 barangays, the city of Davao with 182 barangays, which is a highly urbanized city, the provincial center or the provincial capital, Digos City with 26 barangays, the municipality of Hagonoy with 21 barangays, municipality of Kiblawan with 30 barangays, municipality of Magsaysay with 22 barangays, municipality of Malalag with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Matanao with 33 barangays. We also have the municipality of Padada with 17 barangays, municipality of Santa Cruz with 18 barangays, and the municipality of Sulop with 25 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Sur in Region 11 or Davao Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.